Could gold really hit 4,400 this year? Well, I think so, and so do the experts. We're going to talk about that this morning and some shocking silver prices on this beautiful Friday. Happy coffee. Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday or Friday. Woo, we made it to Friday, although SSC has to work tomorrow. So, hey, that's just part of it, right? So happy coffee, happy Friday. Everybody made it to Friday except SSC. Technically, it's Thursday for me. And look at the time, everybody. We're filming this video for you guys at 4 a.m. That's what. It's good coffee. Happy Friday, everybody. Is gold going to go to 4,400 this year? I still think it's gonna. I still have good forecasts for gold, good forecast for silver in 2026. Silver this morning, when I woke up at 3:30, guys, we were way below what we were yesterday. And I've got a graph on this week on silver too, and we'll look at gold. But let's go at it's a little past 4. Let's look at our prices right now, our spot prices, and then excuse me, and then we're going to talk about the gold and what we think gold's going to do by the end of the year. Although we've talked about it before, we're going to talk about it again, right? So there's a lot of factors in play on gold and silver and platinum and palladium, everybody. But let's talk about these prices right now, the current market prices. I don't believe we're open yet in the United States, but let's check them out. So gold right now, guys, gold is still holding strong, really. It's over 4,000. It is at 4,051.30, even though it's down $25.10. We're still over 4,000. Another copy. Silver this morning's been it's not really a shocker. We talked about that it could dip this week, and it is starting to dip. Is it going to end up in a nice dip? Wow, what a good thing for everybody that wants to buy silver today and tomorrow. I would buy some probably tomorrow. We'll see what it dips down to, and I might hit the button on some stuff. It's at 49.09 right now, guys. It dropped overnight, starting about 11 o'clock last night. I looked at the graph and started seeing silver come down. But have no fear, silver is here, and it will always continue to rise, everybody. If you paid 54, 55, 52 for your silver, most people don't pay spot prices for silver. 99% of the people out there don't pay spot prices. There's too many factors involved, and they just don't. But if you paid 52, 53, guys, don't worry about it. It's going to happen, unless you bought a whole bunch of these clad silver dollars. Although these are fun for the grandkids. I remember getting them when I was a little kid for my grandparents, and some of them were actually silver and we didn't know it. But 49.05, it's down $1.53 an ounce this morning, everybody. Platinum is at $14.95. It's down $19. We talked about platinum yesterday. That absolutely, I threw the interception on that video. Golly, y'all didn't like that. You didn't like the platinum thing, but hey, there's a lot of factors that cause those premiums in platinum. But you got to get over the premiums, because if you hold stuff long enough and you gamble and you take the risk takers either are losers or they're winners. It's a 50-50 shot, guys, everyone. I'm a risk taker. So 1336 on palladium. It's down $26. Rhodium is the same. One of our viewers said he had a rhodium plated silver coin, and I bet that was pricey. Golly. Gold backs this morning, guys. They're also yesterday's rate. They're down to $8.09, as we have all talked about. We've all talked about, gold backs follow the gold market values in exchange rate. So the gold goes up in the gold back, the exchange rates go up. Really, really cool. I've got a guy that I'm going to be buying some, hopefully here pretty quick in Oklahoma City. Great guy, man. And so we're going to be buying some more gold backs from him. Let's look at, copper. Copper. By the way, we're going to be talking about copper tomorrow. We'll have a video coming out tomorrow on, there's a lot of people that say, hey, the premiums are way too high. There's no investor value. If there's no investor value in copper, then why is it on the stock market? Why is it traded? Why do thousands and thousands of people, hundreds of thousands, trade copper? Millions of people trade copper and make money. But we're going to talk about basically the process of why premiums are high on copper. And it's the same process with this as it is with silver and gold and platinum and everything else. But we're going to talk about that hopefully tomorrow if I feel up to it. 501 on copper, everybody. And Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. I haven't typed it in here yet. You know, it's a little early. Gosh, I woke up at, first time, 2 a.m. You know what's going through my brain, guys, and everyone? You know what's going through it? This stuff, the video. What am I going to do? How am I going to do it? Is going to do crappy. I'm not going to worry about it. But listen to this. The massive crash of Bitcoin, guys. It wasn't a couple of weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. It was 115,000. Guys, today we're at 82,073.69. It is plummeting. It is dropping, guys. Sell your Bitcoin or cash it in or something. I don't know. If you got a lot of it, you're still making a lot of money, but I'm telling you guys, it is, wow. Bitcoin's weird. It's digital. I don't trust it, and I'm never going to trust it. If you got it, great. You know, I mean, what the heck? So let's talk about gold. Why do I think gold's going to hit 4,400? There's a bunch of things in play that could really cause it to hit 4,400 by the end of the year. Love coffee, everybody. By the way, happy blueberry muffin coffee. Let's hope this video does well, guys. But anyway, welcome to my living room, into your living room. We really appreciate all of you watching, all over the United States, all over the world. Gosh, we got viewers in England, Australia, Norway, Canada, my friends in Canada. And then our biggest viewers are California, Texas, Florida, New York, guys. Come on, Midwest. Come on, guys. Come talk to me. Let's comment. What are the factors? What's going on with gold? There's a lot of uncertainty in the economic world. What is going on? So more and more people are jamming safe haven in gold. Okay. Gold is really the safe haven. I mean, I love silver and everything. It's a little more volatile than gold by far, but gold is a big time safe haven. It's always been a big safe haven. When things are not looking good in this world, yes, gold is going to go up in value. Monetary easing. The thing is when the guys look at the United States and we say, hey, we're going to cut interest rates. Well, there you go. Blam. Okay. Or when we're going to raise interest rates, that changes gold prices, everybody. So That's just another reason why I think gold's going to hit 4,400 this year. And the central banks, they're pulling gold in, they're buying gold, physical gold, changing their assets, changing up how they invest in stuff. How are they going to make more money for their investors? They're a big player, and you're a big player too. We need to buy more gold. We need to buy more silver. Silver's kind of has the same situation. The difference in gold and silver right now is, take a sip of coffee here. Is silver just has a huge industrial demand, and gold has some industrial demand, but not like silver. And there's some big deficits in silver and gold. Of course, gold is there's not near as much gold to be mined as there is silver and copper and I think maybe even palladium. The rarest one is platinum. That's the one that the cost to bring it out of the earth and to get it pure and do what they need to do and pour it and make bars and stuff on platinum, if I didn't say platinum, is astronomical. It's very expensive. But gold is going to hit 4,400 this year, guys. I just think because if we're going to go into a dip, I think, not as much as maybe silver is right now, but I think we're going to go into a dip and bam, then it's going to go up. So 2026 is going to be a big year for all the precious metals. So make sure you watch all the precious metals, everybody. Right now, silver is down to 48.94. I'm going to say, like I've said before, there's no negative about silver and gold prices. As they go down, everybody's happy because you can buy more. Your dollar cost averaging buys you more silver, buys you more gold. So take advantage of those dips. If you're new to stacking silver, watch the dips. Now, there's going to be a time where you go, when's it going to dip? We don't know. Well, that's when you kind of watch all of the experts and do your research and when they think it's a possibility, because it's just a 50-50 guess a lot of the times on what's going to happen with silver and gold. But I believe gold is going to hit 4,400 by the end of the year. We've got interest rate issues. We've got uncertain economics all over the world, guys, not just the United States. And then we've got, of course, the central banks buying up all this stuff. India buying, China, all those guys or countries buying up tons of gold for safe havens. So that's why I think gold is going to continue to go up. But it's down a little bit right now. Once again, 4,039.40. We have dropped below on silver, below $49 an ounce at 48.93. Platinum back to 14.91. Still did I say platinum? Yeah. What time is it? It's 4:15 SSC. What are you doing? 13-minute video, 1338 on palladium, rhodium, 78.25. And guess what, guys? We took this for the last part of the video on the gold and silver ratio. Gold is actually outperforming silver right now, 82.55. Hopefully you took advantage of the 78, the 79 gold to ratio. Gold to ratio is the thing to look at because, if it's 80 ounces of gold to 1 ounce of silver, that's great. If it's 78 to 1 or 79 ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I remember when it was 102, and guess what I did? I got silver at that point. And when it gets down really low, I'll trade silver and I'll buy gold. I played a little bit. So, hey, happy Friday from SSC's house. Hey, shout out to Charles and Martha. down there enjoying their beautiful lake cabin at Lake Texoma, somewhere in the middle of Texas or Oklahoma. I don't know where. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to Raven Hawk Coins, guys. He's hitting the coin show. He's probably already in Texas right now. So shout out to all my watchers and our sobriety and silver guy or sober stacker, man. Watched a live video of him yesterday. It was actually kind of a lot of fun. I've been thinking about it, but I'm not real sure about it, guys. But I mean, make sure you leave it in the comments. Let's check out the comments. Let's talk to each other. It's Friday. Let's have a good video. Let's make this video go another 1,500 views. It's all because of you guys. This is your channel. This is not my channel. I'm just the quarterback, everybody. Remember that. So we appreciate all of you. Thank you so very much for this channel and the success that it is continuing to have. So SSC right here, Oklahoma City, United States of America. Oklahoma, United States of America. I'll be going to work in, pretty quick. I'm out.